You will use sweet potato for Nimono, kabocha squash for miso soup, carrot for grilled salmon dish, shiitake, shimeji, maitake, eringi, and green onion for stir fry. First, cut sweet potato into thick slices. Soak in water for 10 minutes to remove the scum from the sweet potato. Dice kabocha. Peel carrot and grate it. Cut off the stem of shiitake and slice. Cut off the stem of shimeji and separate each mushroom. Split maitake into small chunks. Cut eringi into strips. Chop green onion. Rinse rice 3 to 5 times for chestnut rice. You don't need to rinse rice until water is clear, because rice in these days are so clean that rice will lose flavor and umami if you rinse too much. Place rice into a pan. Cooking very little amount of rice would end up dry and untasty, so I will cook for 2 servings. Add water, sake, mirin, and salt. Mix gently and let rice absorb water for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, if you use raw chestnut, prepare chestnut. Place chestnut and water in a saucepan. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. And remove all skin. I tried raw one, but unfortunately chestnuts this year was terrible that they had few edible parts because of climate change. So I will use cooked one for snack instead. Place chestnuts on the top of rice. Make rice flat to cook evenly. Bring to a boil over high heat. Put the lid on. Reduce heat to low and cook for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, keep lid on, and leave for 10 minutes to make the moisture even, and rice is done. For grilled salmon, sprinkle salt on both sides. Leave for 10 minutes and wipe moisture of fish to eliminate strong smell of fish. I will use carrot and mayonnaise sauce on top. This dish is called momiji yaki. Momiji means the maple leaves colored of red in the fall, and yaki means grill. Place aluminium foil on a baking tray, brush oil. Place salmon and the sauce on the top. Grill in 180-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. To make Nimono, mix water, dashi powder, sake, sugar, and soy sauce in a saucepan. Add sweet potato. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Remove the foam. Reduce heat to low. Cover with baking paper to prevent sweet potato fall apart. Cook for 15 minutes. For miso soup, place water, dashi powder, and kabocha in a saucepan. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Remove the foam. Reduce heat to low and cook for 10 minutes. Add miso. Please make sure to turn off the heat before adding miso, because miso is heat sensitive that would lose flavor when it's boiling. For stir fry, heat sesame oil in a frying pan. Add mushroom and stir fry for 2 minutes. Season with sake and ponzu. Cook for 30 seconds. And mix with green onion. Sprinkle sesame seed on the top of rice. And dinner is ready.